Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to compare two of the most popular air fryer ovens out there. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. We'll be evaluating these products in different categories to help you make an informed decision. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. The Ninja SP101 has 8 functions including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. On the other hand, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has 12 functions that include French fries, wings, fish fryer, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and keep warm. The Ninja SP101 has a 45% larger pan cooking area compared to the flat surface area of the Cuisinart TOA 60 and TOA 65 pan, and it can fit a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts, 6 to 8 ounces each. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has a 30% larger cooking capacity, an XL large air fryer 8-quart basket that can fit whole meals so you can cook once. Both products offer you healthier cooking, but the Ninja SP101 allows you to enjoy all your air-fried favorites with up to 75% less fat when using the air fry function compared to traditional deep frying. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has fat removal technology in the air fryer basket that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. If price is a factor for you, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is priced at $149 United States dollars, while the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven is priced lower at $92 United States dollars. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven offers a 1-year comprehensive international warranty, while we couldn't find a warranty period for the Ninja SP101. And that's a wrap. We hope this comparison helped you in choosing between the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.